Hey, meteorologist Pete Mangione. A lot going on in the Weather Center this afternoon, so let's get right to it. A flood warning is in effect for this green area that you see right here. So that is for a good part of our area, especially south of Providence down towards the south coast, where we have seen some thunderstorms today. So you get the heavy rain, you get the thunderstorms exacerbating that, leading to some more downpours, and that has put down already, as of late this morning into the early part of the afternoon, already over 2 inches of rain in New Bedford, close to that across other parts of the state. So it's been quite a dose of rain. Here's how the situation looks. More periods of heavy rain possible, especially in that same area. That's the problem. In the same spots where we've already seen some issues with the rainfall, we could get more on top of that, and that continues at least until the early to the middle part of the afternoon. This is around 2 p.m. Now, notice what happens. Fortunately, we do start to clear out the precipitation. It starts to break up, maybe changing over briefly to some sleet or snow as the precipitation starts to wind down. But here's the thing. Here's what we're mainly concerned about for today. It would be the flash freeze. Now, there are still some timing discrepancies on when this would happen. I'll tell you what, as of late this morning, there are some spots up towards Smithfield, Pasco, northwestern Rhode Island into northern Connecticut that never made it above freezing. So already some icing could be an issue there. And for the rest of us, notice what happens. Anytime from, say, the early to mid-afternoon through the late afternoon, watch what happens to these temperatures. Keep in mind there will likely be a lot of water on the roads from all of this rain. You see that? 5 p.m. down to the 20s. Getting even colder than that around 6 p.m. Maybe at this point you're driving over to watch the Pats game at someone's house. So just be careful, as you will likely have some black ice and be dealing with the flash freeze. And it gets even colder than this overnight. Check out some of these numbers into early Monday morning. I know some of you may have the day off, so maybe a good day to sleep in for a bit with these cold temperatures. High is only around 10 degrees in spots on Monday afternoon. A wind chill advisory starts at 9 p.m. tonight. It goes until tomorrow afternoon. Wind chills potentially between negative 15 and negative 20 degrees. Even in those spots not in the blue shade there, you're still quite cold, easily below zero for wind chills tonight into Monday morning. And in the 7-day forecast, you can see there are, I'll remove myself for just a second, it does get a little milder, but it takes a few days for that to happen. Maybe some rain and snow showers Wednesday and some rain showers on Thursday. Thanks for watching, and we will continue to update you on this very rainy situation. Remember, don't drive through any flooded streets or intersections. The clogged drains creating some of these puddles out there right now, and that may take a little while to go away. Again, thanks for watching.